The most noble thing to do as a tenant when you are served a notice to quit is to receive it and sign it. So in this video, I want to talk to both the tenants and also the landlord. Now, I will first and foremost be addressing the landlord. When can you serve a notice to quit? Ordinarily, statutorily, you are to serve 2 notices to your tenant. The first one is notice to quit, and that would indicate the name of the tenant, the type of tenancy they are running, the apartment they are into, the date you want them to vacate your premise. The second notice will be notice that you intend to take possession. And if the tenant defaults or is still in possession after the second notice, then you can charge to court. But the thing is, so many landlords wait until when the tenancy of the tenant has expired before they serve their notice to quit. So there is always conflict. Now, landlord, if you are listening, please listen to me and listen good. If you intend to use your property and you have a yearly tenant in your premise, within your premise, you don't have to necessarily wait until when your tenant or until when the tenancy of the tenant is expired before you serve your notice to quit. You can serve your notice to quit while the tenancy of the tenant is running, such that when the date of the tenancy expires, the date of the notice to quit equally expires. Then with that, you can serve your 7 days intention for owners to take possession. Now, if the tenant defaults or is still within your premise, then you can charge to court. Now, there is another side to this twist that so many persons are not aware of, and that is serving only your 7 days intention to take possession. Now, when do you do this? You serve your 7 days to a tenant that their tenancy has expired or they are still in lieu. Your tenant is still owing you your rent, so you can serve such a tenant just 1 notice, and that notice will be 7 days to take possession. You don't serve a tenant that their tenancy is still running and they are not in default of payment 7 days to take possession. No, you serve just 1 notice, which is 7 days intention to take possession, to a tenant that their tenancy has expired and you intend to take possession. Now, talking to tenants, if you serve any notice and you refuse to receive such a notice, if such a notice is pasted by the entrance of that premise, it is deemed as being properly and duly served. Selah.